Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 92 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. You too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Let's have a quick scoot through this week's magazine even. The Forging of CYBORG there, looking rather, what's the word, stern, stood up like that. I wonder whether they'll do this one as well. There's some of the concept art there, digital sculptures of the mechanics and what he's going to look like, how he's going to work. A bit about the actor there in the data file. Nice simple issue today. We got the battery compartment cover screw and spring to keep that all secure and in place for us. And this is where it's going to go on our RoboCops, and then it's going to be concealed by these closing panels that will be coming up in a future issue, folks. Nice and simple. Couple of minute video this week, folks. Spring, screw, washer, straight in there. Compartment on. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end, folks, okay? You then got 100 years of robots there. This is the construction worker with a Guardian exoskeleton suit. Very reminiscent of Ripley, isn't it, in the Alien films? It's all coming true now, isn't it? And if they could really scale this down and make it look very, very thin, never know, it could work for people that are wheelchair bound, get them trundling around and fulfill their dreams of getting back on their feet. Bless them. Wonderful idea if it works. Dark era there. Distributed ledger technology has the potential to greatly reduce contract and transaction certification costs. All rather technical, isn't it, folks? Quantum physics. And the quantum computers seems to be a thing now, doesn't it? And it's going to be quite interesting how things go over the few years. That's the magazine done. So we'll bring RoboCop in and we'll put this cover in place. There's RoboCop himself. So we're going to be popping this in place. Like that. And then we got a spring and a washer to go in. And then the washer should then hold the spring in place. So let's try that. Like that. And then that makes it easier to hook in then. So we want to go in like so. Come over like that. And then screw that down. Just like so. That should be that done. Alright, so that's the battery compartment in place. Over the next couple of issues we got the back panels going on, so we'll leave it there, folks. Nice and easy, this one. Just remember the washer does retain the spring. So push the washer and spring on, and then just hook the latch pin on this side, lower it in, and then screw it in place. Job done. So don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. You too can be building this wonderful RoboCop yourselves. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can just pop over, click little Festa and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. To be notified of upcoming content, ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.